सामने ये कौन आया, दिल में हुई हलचल, देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल। सामने ये कौन आया, दिल में हुई हलचल, देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल। Before pandemic, uh, this uh, you wake up early, go to college, then spend your whole day in college, then come back home, then eat and sleep. But now it's like waking up at 12 p.m., which is a normal thing right now. Now and going to bed at 3 a.m. So that's how we are just doing things.
I work as a cricket coach, train young kids. We are finding it really difficult to make young kids understand, about the situation. At the same time, it's really hard to motivate them. As a coach, it's very important we motivate our kids. This pandemic has taken me back to my school days, or when I was young, the things I used to do. Uh, I read a lot of Tintin books, a lot of Sherlock Holmes. I was a big fan of detective stories. So you can say I'm actually rolling back the years.
বড্ড আমরা বিজি হয়ে গেছিলাম, মানে একটা রুটিন লাইফ চলছিল, সকালে উঠে এটা করো ওটা করো, বেরিয়ে যাও, আবার আসো, আবার ওটা করো, আবার ঘুমিয়ে পড়ো, আবার একটা যে রুটিনটা ছিল সেই রুটিনটা ব্রেক হয়েছে সকলের।
Going out was normal. Now it's not. We like if I was bored, I would have just called my friend like "Chalo nikalte." Then we could have been walking or buying some things. But now it's like all video calls. There has been a lot of changes in food. Like before we would be like taking junk foods were normal for us. Like we are going out, then chalo Domino's, chalo yahan, ye wo. And right now it's like all ghar ka khana. That's it. We are just missing fuchka and all. Well, now we are getting a lot of free time, so we are exploring new things, which I don't think that we could have done if our college was running.
We are trying our best not to consume a lot of junk. Mostly food cooked at home, you know, and trying our best to avoid too much of masalas, spices, I would say, or very oily food, and really simple diet. I'd say, staple diet, and trying our best to avoid getting food from outside. My routine, honestly speaking, has changed completely. You know, normally I start early, and after breakfast there is so much of time, and it feels like every day is just a Sunday. He loves going to the school. Obviously, meeting his friends every day matters a lot to him, and suddenly it all changed. It's completely different for him now. He's in an, I would say, in a alien situation where he's studying in front of a screen, be it a mobile or a tablet or a laptop screen, and he's not used to it. So for him, he's really finding it very, very difficult, and he's not happy about it.
My child is missing his friends because he loved going to school. He always wanted to buy things while going to his school. He wanted to buy toffees and chips, all those things. He loved his friends. He's missing his friends. He's missing his teachers.
Can't see any chance of happening. Like I was talking to my friend this other day, that how we are missing going out and all, and I think it's not even possible this year. So we are missing very badly.
We really don't know whether we'll be able to visit the pandals, talking about pandal hopping. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed, and I'm really optimistic. I can see that's happening, definitely. If not in a grand manner, but definitely Durga Puja, we can't really miss out on Durga Puja. No way.
দুর্গা পুজো হবে, পুজো তো হবেই, ছোটোখাটো করে হলেও হবে। যে নিয়ম কানুনগুলো হয় শুধুমাত্র সেগুলো করেই পুজো হবে। অত শো, অত পম্প জাঁকজমক সেটা হবে না।
You think things are going to be normal?
I don't think so. No, not at all.
Ever? I mean, are we going to be the
Ever, it might take some time. Like even after this pandemic situation, we won't be like normal to each other. So it will take some time, some years maybe. But yeah, eventually I think it will be normal, but it will take a lot of time.
So the moment this pandemic is over, we're going to go to a hill station straight away.
একটু নিজেদের মধ্যে, সকলের মধ্যে ছোট ছোট একজন আর্টিস্ট থাকেন, সেগুলো বেরিয়ে আসছে। কেউ গান গাইছে, কেউ ছবি আঁকছে।
सामने ये कौन आया, दिल में हुई हलचल, देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल। सामने ये कौन आया, दिल में हुई हलचल, देख के बस एक ही झलक हो गए हम पागल।